Hey guys! So some days ago I had the desire to eat some really unhealthy food. And I mean like when you see other people gulp down some fast food and you just think, I want that too kind of desire. So as a climatarian I was thinking, is there any possibility to make food that is unhealthy and sustainable at the same time? So I got curious and firstly opened up my fridge to have a look if there is anything unhealthy in it. And I found some homemade mayo and a bottle of sustainable ketchup and thought, yeah, that could be a good starting point. From that on I was playing with ideas of food combinations, always in mind to create a dish that is still sustainable. In the end I came up with the idea to create a burger steak. It's just a steak and not a burger because I didn't want to make a bread for it and it would be still fatty and juicy. To make it sustainable I made a vegetarian one out of beans and so on. And yeah, so I mixed all the ingredients and deep fried it in some fatty oil. I just flipped them once and tried to create a nice caramelization on top. And as a side dish I served them with salad and some grilled peppers. Oh yeah, and most important, don't forget the mayo and the ketchup. And voila, here we are. I must say, I'm not pretty sure if I made an unhealthy dish, but at least it tasted quite good, so I don't care. And guys, I have to say, the mayo and the ketchup really made the difference here. As usual, you will find the recipe in the description. So that was it for me guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and see you Tuesdays. Bye!